Welcome to Catherine the Baked. Today we are going to try this little ice tray pour from Mixed Media Girl. So I am using the Artist Loft Ready Mixed pouring paint, and I have the white, phthalo blue, bright yellow, and bright blue. And so I'm just going to pour the paint into these and then flip it and go from there. It should be a really quick, easy, fun pour. So I'm going to start with white. I'm not going to fill these containers completely full because I think that would be way too much paint. Alright, almost done. I think I'll do one more deal of white, and then we will, I think that's going to be plenty. Okay, there we go. Look at that, guys. Alright, so I'm just going to flip this over on here like this. And just flip it over like that. Now I'm going to give it a minute to hang out like that, and then we will pull it off. Alright. Looks pretty. Now we will just start tilting. I absolutely love how these paints dry. I haven't used them much, but I think I've only done one painting with them, and I love it. I love how it dried. It's really hard to tell if you have enough paint in the ice cube tray. I'm hoping that we got enough. Alright. Would have gone a lot smoother if I just put a little bit more paint, huh? There we go. Now let's just see if that'll pull it off. go. Let me get it back to center, the weight of it. Make sure all my sides are covered. All right, guys, there it is. I bet it's gonna dry gorgeous. These paints just dry amazing. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, here are the wet close-ups. The lower right, lots of good stripes in there. Upper right. Upper left. And the lower left. I love how the blues and the yellows, the blues and yellow played together to make a bunch of greens. The color is really pretty, and I know this is going to dry really pretty, so hold on for the dried results. Oh yeah, and I had drips. There were drips in this this ice cube tray, so I dripped it onto this tile. And I thought it made a really cool pattern, like maybe kind of reminds me of Starry Night, you know, but anyway. There it is, guys, and hold on and we'll have the dried results. Okay, here are the dried results. It's basically dried exactly the same as it was. It's nice and shiny. You know how the pre-mixed paint is so shiny. So there it is, guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.